Hi everyone, this is Christy with the Element Bath and Body here in Dallas. I want to welcome the new subscribers and welcome back the returning viewers and subscribers. This is going to be a really short video. It is tied to the video we just did about updating our costs in the Excel spreadsheet, but it is showing you how to quickly calculate a price increase based on what you figured out in your worksheets. So we're going to start off with our 2021 cost of the vegan palm recipe, which was $13.42 per batch, and the 2022 updated is now $14.65 per batch. Same thing over here with the sunflower oil recipe that we modeled in the other video. It started out at $13.59 per batch and it went up to $16.51 per batch with the current prices. So the first thing we're going to do is we need to divide the new price by the old price. So we're going to bring the new prices down. We need to divide by the old prices, so we need to bring the old prices down. And once we do our calculations, this is what we get. The vegan palm recipe went up by 9%. That's what this 1.09 is. 1 is one whole of the $13.42 price plus another 9%. And the sunflower oil recipe went up by 21%. So that's why we have 1.21. 1 is one whole of this $13.59 plus another 21% of that price. So that's how we got to that calculation. So the easiest way to do it without having to break it down and do all the other things is to now bring these prices down, multiply them by whatever our retail bar is for that particular recipe. For this video and for brevity's sake, we're just going to say everything is being sold currently at $5 per bar. So we're going to take these amounts and bring them down. And we're going to bring down our $5 per bar retail so we know what the new price should be based on the calculations for each recipe. And once we multiply that, we'll get our new cost of what we should be charging, or a ballpark figure of what we at least should be charging to match the increase that we've seen in our expenses. So the vegan palm recipe that was provided in the Excel video should go up to at least $5.45. You could round up to $5.50. The sunflower oil recipe went up to $6.05. You could round down to a flat $6, or you could even bump it up to $6.25 or $6.50 if your market will support that, and I'm pretty sure it will. All right. If you have any other questions or need to break this down, I'm going to leave this on the screen. You can screenshot it for your reference later on. If you would like a digital copy of this particular document, just reach out to me in the email attached to this YouTube channel and I will send you a copy. All right, I hope you all have a great rest of the week and I look forward to seeing you on the next one. I'll see you on the other side. Peace.